I'm Mr. J, and today is Thursday, November the 24th, 2022. Today's news is debatable. Production of South Korea's first COVID-19 vaccine suspended. All right, so the COVID-19 vaccine. Well, Korea is one of the few countries that has started making its own. It has its own vaccine. What is it called? I think SkyCovion is the name of the vaccine. So it's sort of, a lot of Koreans were proud that Korea had its own vaccine, but that vaccine has been suspended. So it's not stopped forever, it's just like paused, it's suspended, right? And you see the vaccine here. The reason, I guess, is because it's not very helpful with the variants. There's lots of variants these days. So the variants, mean that this one is less popular. So they're not stopping making it forever, but they're suspending it because there's not enough people buying it yet. So they're suspending it, right? Not stopping, suspending. Make sure you know the difference between that, okay? All right, so today's question that your teacher might ask you is how many vaccine shots you've gotten. I've gotten the 4th shot, up to 4 myself, but have you gotten just 1 shot or 2 or 3 or 4, or have you gotten no shots, right? So your teacher might ask you that, so think of an answer, okay? All right, let us go over to our weather. How's the weather today?
It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 17 and a low of 9.
Okay.
Right now it's 16 and partly cloudy.
Sorry, interrupted Google there. Nothing really special to talk about. And then, what about tomorrow? How's the weather tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 18 and a low of 11.
Almost the same, though partly cloudy. No big difference. All right. Let's go to our word of the day. Vamos.
Vamos.
This is sort of fun to say, right? Don't say vamos, say vamos, all right? So be careful with that. It's not vamos, it's vamos. But actually, where I'm from in Canada, I even called up a cousin to ask, and they say vamos. So the pronunciation might be different, but according to this, the official pronunciation is vamos, so be careful. Here, what does it mean? To depart quickly, right? So depart quickly. Can you guess what that would be in Korean? There's actually a couple of meanings, right? Here, but let's just go with this one, okay? But the important thing is quickly. You have to quickly, right? So quickly, right? See here, maybe if you put this in front of this, I think it would be the best definition. But let's go with 도망치다, okay? And the let's see. The pronunciation, like I said, I think is fun. There's just 1 and 2 syllables. Emphasis on the second one. Moose. Like moose, like the animal in Canada. There's like a big deer-like animal called the moose. And then the. So then moose. The. Vamos. Let's practice, right?
Vamos.
Well, the cops are coming. Let's vamos. We're going to be late. Vamos. We have to vamos. We're not going to catch the train. Vamos. Okay? We talked about vamos. We talked about the vaccine, Korean vaccine being suspended, right? And also, what else? We talked about the weather, which is always the same. So your teacher might ask you, right, what vaccine you've gotten, up to what level of vaccine, right? How many vaccines you've gotten, and also when is the last time that you vamoosed? When's the last time you vamoosed? Those are 2 questions your teacher might ask you, so think about it. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.